Hello guys, today I'm going to install Smart Garage Controller. With this controller you can control your garage door, open it and close it through Wi-Fi with an app on your phone. Also it sent you notification if the garage door is open, so you can close it with the app on your phone. This one also works with Alexa and Google Nest. I'm going to unbox it and then I'll show you the installation. It's very easy, takes a few minutes. Let's start. So this is the controller, power cable, this is the door sensor, and those two cables you connect to the garage opener, some screws and brackets. Now I will try the app before installing the sensor. It's opening. Let's close it. It's closing. Had to run the sensor cable just a little bit above the chain. Now this is how it looks like after setup. Here is a controller, the cable to the door sensor. Here is the door sensor. Now I'm testing the device. Close. Alexa, open garage door.
What's your voice code for garage door? Open. Hang on. The garage door is open.
Alexa, close garage door.
Closing. Hang on. The garage door is closed.
I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in my next video.